Yes, please, welcome to our next great adventure. We're there again, our secret location. We're there. Blessed Sunday afternoon to you all. We're there, man. You know what I'm saying? Show them the view, Chrissy. You know. We're there. One more Sunday again. One more great adventure. Yeah. Let's babes. Yeah, we're getting it. Put them to catch up the fire. Pull it out. Over there I get the wood them line up and out for the fire. So I go down on the rock. And just go and line up the wood them. Good old bamboo them to catch the fire faster. So peeps, we soon in the dinner.
Heavy. Kom, wat heavy? Nou, heavy.
Yes guys, welcome back to another great video. So in today's video we are going to do some barbecue fried chicken, a whole of barbecue fried chicken. So we just done clean up the chicken. So I'm going to add some vinegar. Then stir it, soak in the vinegar, and that have reduce the rawness of the chicken. Clean up the chicken, currently draining out the excess water. So we are going to season with dry season. Garlic powder, chicken season. I'm going to add some barbecue season quantity. I'm going to add some all-purpose. So we are going to blend some marination for the barbecue fried chicken. I use some onion, fresh thyme, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, cloves, cracked pimento seed, and 1 small glass of orange juice. We are going to also add some of our blended marination from so I will rub in and cover and leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. Yeah, what? Guys, swear, feel like a summer already in Jamaica, like, every time hot. You know? Right now, I wish I have to go home this evening, man. I just stay. But you know, we have to go. Oh, the water sweet. Swear. People look for Miss Christy. I already call Miss Christy. Miss Christy, I already call. Not summer. Yeah. Right time about it, that's all. That's all. One. Good ever.
So you peeps, that hot and also we'll get in the oil in our pot. Blaze. We have a good amount of oil left to cover the chicken. Come on, that we can do. We have to add on some milk for the chicken. You peeps, we have to show the milk for the chicken, so we're going to rub on the milk for the chicken. Barbie fried chicken with French fries. Yeah, man.
You can't wait.
You get tonight. Lord, what you say?
You can't wait.
Like that.
You're hungry. Yes. You should get dinner, boss.
You're going to feed up the flour. We fry the chicken. We're adding some Maggi chicken season. A little barbecue season. And a little Maggi all-purpose. Yeah, people, we'll put the chicken knife now. I'll hot and on, so I'll get you the chicken.
Bubble up, hear it? Yeah, chicken are fry up. So I use some honey barbecue sauce. So I got add little of the blended marination in it. We are going to add a little soya sauce. Add a little brown sugar. Yeah, good color. Yeah, so after the chicken done fry, we'll just use the sauce and juice it all over the chicken, then put the grill on the fire and make the chicken them dry. And also give the chicken a nice smoked flavor. Yes, man. Yeah. Yes, so I wait for the grill to warm up and put it on and make the sauce dry on. Oh, chicken well soaked, well fried.
Barbie fry with fries.
Yeah.
Yes, man. We'll have to. Yeah, people say I'll hot. We'll train the iron for fries. As you can see, barbecue fried chicken ready. So we're getting the iron now, hot free start fry, the fries then. The people there, man. So here people are adding the first set of fries in the end.
KFC style. Caribbean vibes cooking vlog style.
No man, no KFC man, Caribbean vibes.
I tell this man.
Can't wait.
How did you eat? Yeah, eat the first fries.
That's smart. So let's peep. Let's take out the first set of fries in. Caribbean vibes, French fries, barbecue fried chicken. Oh my word!
So we're gonna go to your fried chicken.
Yeah, nice little blue hole over there. Nice little swimming here. You can see the water over there. A little bit deep. Spring. Yeah, I'm starting to grow up. Grow up vine.
Finally, the rest of fries are ready. So I take off the last set of fries. My kids will wait for their meal. So I do it now. Fries ready.
I say I wait, brainer.
Caribbean vibe style.
Now we
French fries.
You see it's I wait, man. And I taste the first one.
If fries are ready enough, we'll add a little salt on it. Now to lucky salt. I'll give a shape. Fries ready. Get the food shield on. Oh. So let it down so we have to make magic work.
Barbecue fry whole of chicken with French fries.
I want you to keep straight forward.
And what food? 4.
No, one more.
You man can't cut.
Come.
Yo, you can't cut, man. Man can't cut. You want share 3 plates before. How is school going?
I chose school go.
Where's school is it?
What school you go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to see the school now.
See now?
Maybe no.
Oh. Nice.
The barbecue fried chicken have everything. Yes, nice, fried good, everything nice.
Very active. Come on.
We're up to.
Right on. Floor. I'm on out to the river to the new location. That's nice. Always find a good location in the middle. And a nice place, man. Just stay. In a Westmoreland. Always find a good location.
People Look what is the water. This is the water that eat white for.
Fries them, nice. Barbecue fried chicken, you take a look at taste, man. Nice, man.
Yo, you not take no taste.
Yes, man, taste it, man.
Liar,
Nice.
man. Taste make the people easy.
As they keep saying, sir, they explain to me already, say, yes, nice. Yeah, man. Caribbean vibes, barbecue fry, and French fries, fully active. Oh,
Oh yeah, it fries with ketchup.
yeah.
Everything got taste here go.
Caribbean vibes, me go.
Oh, I eat right. And the every good thing have to come to an end. Great vlog today. Caribbean vibes cooking vlog. That's the strain of the iron.
Yeah, you know, you can't waste it, because you can use again. Like chips, you can use again doing a little frying, you know? Come on, you know what drill, man. Like, share, and comments, and subscribe to the Big Bad channel. We'll see you in the next video. Fully active.